Hey there, gamers! Are you ready to unleash your inner gaming beast? Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with the ASUS ROG Strix G16, a laptop that's designed to take your gaming sessions to the next level. First off, let me tell you about this thing is seriously powerful. It comes equipped with Windows 11 Home, an Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and featuring DLSS 4 and Max-Q technologies. So, what does that mean for you? In plain English, it means you'll have access to lightning-fast performance, stunning visuals, and a seamless gaming experience. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's DLSS? Well, let me break it down for you. DLSS stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling, which is essentially an advanced image processing technology that allows your games to run smoother and look more realistic than ever before. It does this by using artificial intelligence to simulate the performance of a high-end graphics card, without the need for one. And with Max-Q technologies, you can enjoy incredibly fast gameplay without sacrificing battery life. But it's not just about raw power. The ROG Strix G16 is also built to multitask like a pro. It comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5-5600 MHz memory and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That means you can have multiple applications open at once, from your favorite games to productivity software, without any lag or slowdowns. Think of it as having an extra brain, one that's always working hard behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's talk about display quality. The ROG Strix G16 features a stunning 165Hz FHD Plus display that's perfect for gaming, creation, and entertainment. But what does FHD Plus mean? Simply put, it means you'll get a beautiful full HD resolution with a fast refresh rate. Think of it like having a movie theater in your laptop. And with ACR film technology, you'll enjoy enhanced contrast and reduced glare, making for a viewing experience that's truly immersive. But what about cooling, you ask? Well, the ROG Strix G16 has got this covered too. The laptop features state-of-the-art ROG intelligent cooling. Think of it as an advanced air conditioning system for your laptop. It includes an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and conductanode extreme liquid metal applied to the chipset. That means you can enjoy fast gameplay without worrying about overheating or throttling. Of course, no gaming laptop is complete without a killer keyboard and some seriously cool lighting effects. The ROG Strix G16 delivers on both fronts with its eSports-ready keyboard and customizable RGB Aura light bar. But what does RGB mean? Simply put, it means you can personalize your lighting to match your style, from bright and bold to stealthy and subtle. And with stealth mode, you can turn off all the lights for a sleek and refined look that's perfect for professional settings. Last but not least, let's talk about energy efficiency. The ROG Strix G16 is designed to be both powerful and battery-friendly. It comes equipped with a large battery that lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge, perfect for long gaming sessions or road trips. And with PC Game Pass, you'll have access to thousands of games for just one monthly fee. So, what's the verdict? The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is an absolute beast of a laptop that checks all the boxes when it comes to power, performance, and features. Whether you're a serious gamer or just looking for a laptop that can handle any task you throw at it, this thing is a must-have. Want to get your hands on one? Click the link below to check out the best price and availability.